Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete your Instagram highlights using your PC. With the recent updates, managing your profile has become even more straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Once you're on the site, log in to your account if you haven't already. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to navigate to your profile page. Here, you'll see all your posts and highlights displayed prominently. Next, focus on the left bottom corner of the screen, where you'll find a button labeled More. Click on this option to reveal additional features related to your account. From the drop-down menu, select Your Activity. This section is essential as it allows you to manage various aspects of your Instagram presence, including highlights. Now scroll down to the Photos and Videos section and click on Highlights. This will take you directly to all the highlights you've created. Find the specific highlight that you want to delete. Once you've located it, click on it to open the highlight. Here, you will see all the stories included in that highlight. To proceed with deletion, look for the Delete option. Click on it, and a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this highlight. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete again. And just like that, you've successfully removed a highlight from your Instagram profile. Remember, deleting a highlight won't erase the stories from your archive. They remain accessible if you ever want to add them back later. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Instagram features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Instagramming.